Hi students, welcome to the Shorthand Hub channel. This is Hari Naganand Idumudi, instructor of Shorthand. For all Shorthand grades, I am offering general and legal dictations. This dictation, passage link and other crucial links are given in the description box. If you feel that this dictation can help you in the competitive exams, click the like button, share the video and leave a remark. We are also making this passage available to you in 100 words, 120 words and 150 words per minute dictations. For this shortened subject, I am conducting both online and offline classes for the students. Students can join the Telegram group by clicking the link provided in the description box. Get ready for the dictation. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Chief Minister would release the funds relating to the education of children who are studying in the schools by pressing a button at a program on Wednesday. The said program was originally scheduled for April 17, but it was postponed. The opposition parties then suspected the postponement was due to the Central Bureau of Investigation questioning of Member of Parliament in the matter case. Chief Secretary later clarified that shortage of funds was the reason for the postponement, stressing that education can change our fortunes. Poverty should not be an obstacle to receive education. The Chief Minister would deposit the amount directly into the bank accounts of mothers. Officials said, including the present release of the amount, the Chief Minister credited a total of 4,275.76 crore under the said scheme into the accounts of mothers. The previous government's fee reimbursement scheme was limited to a few students. Previous government had left behind a due of 1,778 crore in this respect. Officials said the Chief Minister has provided a total assistance of 14,223.60 crore under the different schemes. The payment of boarding and lodging charges of rupees 10,000 for ITI students, rupees 15,000 for polytechnic students and rupees 20 to students doing courses like degree, engineering and medicine in 2 installments every year. Assistance under the scheme is given to all children in a family irrespective of their number. The government is directly depositing the amount into the accounts of mothers. Officials also said the present government has revised the school curriculum to make it job oriented by including the 4-year UG degree and 30% skill development courses to increase the employability of students. As part of the curriculum, online verticals have been introduced through which students can pursue necessary skills in online mode. By introducing a 10-month mandatory internship, the government is preparing students to cope up with the requirements of the industries. Andhra Pradesh had signed a memorandum of understanding with Microsoft to provide training to 1.62 lakh students in 40 skill development courses, where 1.07 lakh students have completed their training in Microsoft technology and received training certificates. Andhra Pradesh is the only state to achieve more than 2 lakh certificates in a calendar year, officials noted. Education Minister said that reforms initiated by the state government are yielding good results. The number of students who passed intermediate but could not get enrolled for higher studies, but with effective implementation of the schemes of the state government, the number has come down, he said. The dropout rate in entry to higher education has dropped significantly to 6.62% in 2022-23 against the national average of 27%. The gross enrollment ratio for 2018-19 was 32.4 and steps were taken to increase this to 70%. The average number of girls enrolling in colleges per 100 boys has increased from 81 in 2018-19 to 94 in 2020-21 gender parity index. Stop. Once again, I am requesting, if you think that this dictation can help you in the shorthand examinations, click the like button, share the video and make a comment. We are also making this passage available to you in 100 words, 120 words and 150 words per minute dictations. I am conducting both online and offline classes for the students. Anyone interested in joining the Telegram group can do so by clicking the link provided in the description box. Thank you.